Hot chocolate and cozy socks are some of the winter staples we all enjoy. So don't let bulky sweaters and pilling shawls be your last resort this winter holiday. Here's the only guide you need to make sure you don't look like a pile of wool, yet still stay warm. Your hands, feet, ears and neck are areas of the body which are the most susceptible to feeling cold. So if they are warm, you are warm. Add accessories to the mix and protect them with your warm beanies, gloves, fuzzy socks and scarves. To make sure your hair doesn't frizz or stand up with static from your beanie or hats, just run a dryer sheet over your hair and you're good to go. While scarves are the easiest way to cover up your neck area, drape a warm scarf as a jacket and you can add an extra layer instantly. Layering is an obvious choice for the colder months, but the trick to comfortable layering is opting for loose outer layers and a comfortable one beneath. A thin layer of thermals under your clothes is perfect to retain your body heat while remaining seamless. Warm them with a hairdryer to avoid feeling like you're wearing a sheet of ice. Layer these up with wide leg pants to camouflage any bulk underneath. Loose or chunky sweaters will also be your perfect partner for layering. You can also opt to layer tights under your dresses. Freeze your tights overnight to make sure that they are strong against any wear and tear. This will avoid the fibers from dripping away and will make your tights last longer. Pick heavy fabrics for your kurtis and pants. Turn your embroidered shawls into an ethnic kurti to stay warm and stylish. Layering with ethnic wear is all about making the colors work. A simple kurti will go hand in hand with a bright cardigan. If your winter wardrobe is starting to look like a whole lot of black and greys, it's time to add a splash of color into your day. Color blocking can not only brighten up a gloomy winter day, but can also help define your body shape. A cropped sweater is great to draw attention to your waist. Make sure that you hold on to your warm and fuzzy clothes when the temperatures are dropping. Trench coats, sweaters and cardigans in fabrics like suede and knits will keep you looking stylish yet warm. If you're worried about them shedding strands onto your other clothes, a handy makeup sponge can come to your rescue and pull away any loose strands instantly. We hope that these tips keep your closet warm and cozy this winter. Do share with us what your go-to winter outfit is, and until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.